number 1. Mod of 2x plus 4 equivalent to 12. Already we have seen mod a, mod x equivalent to a. So x mod, if I remove it, either it can be plus a or it can be minus a. So similarly, mod of 2x plus 4, it is nothing but 12. That means if I remove modulus, this will be plus 12 or it will be minus 12. Plus 12 or minus 12. So 2x is nothing but 12 minus 4, 8. Minus 12 minus 4, minus 16. So x is nothing but 4 or minus 8. 4 or minus 8. If you substitute, you will also get the left hand side equivalent to right hand side. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 4 12. 2 into minus 8 16. Minus 16 plus 4 mod of minus 12 equivalent to 12. The learning from this question is mod x equivalent to a. X will become plus a or minus a. Introductory question, then slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. Question number 2. Again first we will write down the concept. Concept is mod x equivalent to a. So if I remove modulus, it will become either plus a or it will become minus a. Either it will become plus a or minus a. So these are nothing but mod of 3x minus 2 equivalent to 10. So if I remove the modulus, 3x minus 2 equivalent to plus 10 or it will become minus 10. So 3x equivalent to 12 or 3x equivalent to minus 10 plus 2, it is minus 8. So x is nothing but 4 or minus 8 by 3. Two values of x will satisfy the equation 4 or minus 8 by 3. First two problems very elementary questions. Slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. Again we will write down the concept. Mod x less than or equivalent to a. If it is less than or equivalent to a, x lies from minus a to a. Minus a less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to a. So these nothing but mod of 4x minus 5 less than or equivalent to 23. So these nothing but minus 23 less than or equivalent to 4x minus 5 less than or equivalent to 23. Idea clear? So minus 5, add 5 on all the sides, minus 23 plus 5, 4x less than or equivalent to 23 plus 5. So these are nothing but minus 18 less than or equivalent to 4x less than or equivalent to 28. So these are nothing but minus 18 by 4. 4 4s are 16. Minus 4.5 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 7. The question is how many integral values of x will satisfy. So what are all the integral values from minus 4.5 to 7? These are nothing but minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Next it is 0. Next is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 7. So from 1 to 7, 7 integral values, positive integral values, 4 integral values, 0 is another, 7 plus 4 plus 1. Total 12 integral values will satisfy this equation. Concept behind solving this question is mod x less than or equivalent to a. X lies from minus a to a. X lies from minus a to a. You can check it out by substituting few values whether you are getting the answer or not. 0. 4 into 0, 0, 0 minus 5. Mod of minus 5 is 5. 5 is less than 23. I hope the idea it is clear. So 4 7s are 28 minus 5, 23. 23 is equivalent to 23. Total 12 integral values. In modulus function, finding out the number of integral values, this concept is of extreme importance to you. I hope this idea it is clear. Now, another question. Question number 4. How many integral values of x will not satisfy this equation? Anything that is not satisfying greater than or equivalent to should satisfy less than. I hope it is clear. Suppose if I take a number line, for example, minus 4 and 7 is there. Suppose if it is, I say that integral values of x, an example, integral values of x which does not satisfy, integral values of x which does not satisfy which does not satisfy x less than minus 4, x less than or equivalent to minus 4, or x greater than or equivalent to 7. I need the integral values which won't satisfy the question. Which won't satisfy the question is, this is the value which satisfies the question. This is the value which satisfies the question, which won't satisfy the question. Won't satisfy means this will be the region. This will be the region which will satisfy the equation. I hope it is clear, right? Something which will not satisfy greater than or equivalent to will satisfy the equation less than. So the question can be nothing but which satisfies the equation. Which satisfies the equation mod of 2x minus 5 less than 15. Mod of 2x minus 5 less than 15. You can also look at this question from this point of view. Critical point is nothing but 5. 15 units forward, it is nothing but 20. 15 units backward, it is nothing but minus 10. These point, it is nothing but 2x is nothing but minus 10 or 20. So x is nothing but minus 5 or 10. X is nothing but minus 5 or 10, which does not satisfy greater than or equivalent to, should satisfy the equation less than. If it is less than modulus inequality, it lies between the critical points. So answer is minus 5 less than x less than 10, minus 5 less than x less than 10. So what are all the integral values that will take? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and so on up to 9. Minus 4 to minus 1 and 0 to 9. So minus 0 to 9, it is 10, 1 to 4, 4. So answer is totally, there are 14 integral values which will satisfy this equation. In turn, which will not satisfy this equation. Good question. Don't do a mistake in finding out the integral values for that equation. That also should give you, if it is greater than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to a given value, x greater than or equivalent to a given value. Greater than or equivalent to means it tends to up to infinite. So that should give an idea, because he is asking a bounded integral value, it is not satisfying. Anything not satisfying greater than or equivalent to is nothing but satisfying less than. Anything not satisfying less than is nothing but satisfying greater than or equivalent to. Fourth question clear? Each and every question in our class is of extreme importance. Once you start listening to my classes and take down notes and practice it once or twice, it's enough for you. That topic will become your favorite topic. Fourth question. I hope the idea it is clear. Fifth one, mod of. Find the minimum value for mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 4. In session number 2, we discussed it. Step number 1, find the critical points. It is nothing but 2, and these nothing but 4. 2 and 4. Let a person A sits at point 2 and another person B sits at point 4. Two people are there in at a different places. Now I want the minimum value. Minimum value means A, if it is going to be A and B are going in the same direction, B is coming to A and B are going in the same direction. That will result in more value. Think logically. Suppose if I wanted to, if A is there at A and B, it is there. I want a minimum value. A going to B, A and B traveling further. Obviously, the distance will be more. B coming to A and traveling further. So, same direction, it is not possible. Opposite direction, it is very much possible. So, opposite direction, at any point they meet, the total distance they travel is nothing but 2. If it is x, this will be 2 minus x, which I discussed in session number 2. If it is z, this will be 2 minus z. I hope the idea it is clear. So minimum value will come either at point 2 or at point 4. X can take any value from 2 to 4. X can take any value from 2 to 4. 2 to 4. What is the gap? Y minimum it is nothing but 2. Y minimum it is nothing but 2. Idea is clear. In session number 2 I discussed if the number of modulus functions added If the number of modulus functions added are even number, then I will get the range. The number of modulus functions added are 2, so I will get the range. 2 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 4. Y minimum, it is nothing but 2. Idea, it is clear, right? Next one. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 6. X is there at a critical point 1. X is there at a critical point 6. They both will cover the minimum value only if they travel in the opposite direction. 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 6 is the range. What will be the distance between them? So y minimum, it is nothing but 5. Either you can substitute x equivalent to 1 or x equivalent to 6, or any value from 1 to 6, you will get the answer. Y minimum, it is nothing but 5. Y minimum, it is nothing but 5. Another one. Find the minimum value of mod of x plus 1 plus mod of x minus 4. No difference. One critical point it is negative, another critical point it is positive. So it is, again the minimum value will be when they are meeting in the opposite direction. So y minimum, it is nothing but 5. And at what value? Minus 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 4. Y minimum equivalent to 5. So x lies from minus 1 to 4. 3 examples. I hope this concept is clear. Slowly we will put a minus sign. Find the minimum value of mod of x plus y plus mod of x plus 2. This is nothing but minus 5. This is nothing but minus 2. Both of them traveling in the opposite direction. I will get the answer. Minus 5 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to minus 2. So what is the distance here? Distance is nothing but 7. Why? Because minus 2 minus of minus 5. Minus, right? So minus 5 plus 7, it is nothing, sorry, minus 5 minus 2, right? I took it as 2. So these is nothing but 3. Minus 5 plus 3, it is nothing but 2. Don't do this silly mistake. I took plus 2 instead of minus 2, and in the question it is minus 2. Minus 5 to minus 2, gap is nothing but 3 units. Minus 5 plus 3, it is nothing but minus 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Don't do any silly mistake, and drawing on the number line, it is also very important. Next one. Oh, this seems a little complex question, but actually I will make it very easy for you. Find the minimum value of mod 2x minus 6. Mod 2x minus 6 plus mod x plus 4. Mod x plus 4. This can be written as 2 into mod x minus 3 plus mod x plus 4. Are you all with me? So the critical points of x is 3. 3, 3. 3 is written how many times? 2 times. Okay. These is nothing but x plus 4 equivalent to 0. It is minus 4. These are the 3 critical points. These are the 3 critical points. Because before modulus there is 2. So the critical point 3 is written twice. These are the critical points. Write it down on a number line. These are nothing but minus 4. These are nothing but 3. Here also it is 3. Minus 4, 3, 3. Just now we have seen totally number of modulus functions added are nothing but 3. This equation is nothing but mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 3 plus mod x plus 4. Mod x plus 4. So it will happen at the middle point. Already we have seen in the session number 2 why it will be the middle point. If the number of modulus functions added are odd, then y minimum will be at the middle value of x. Y minimum. Y minimum. So here it is nothing but 3. A and C are at the dead points. B is there. Assume if these middle value it is not there. Minus 4 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 3. For it to be minimum, obviously they have to meet at a given point on that value. So instead of meeting at any random point, it and this. I hope it is clear. Right. Now see here. So what will be the y minimum value? It has to cover 7 units. 7 minus 4 is 3. This has to cover 0. So 7 plus 0. Answer is nothing but 7. Y minimum value, it is nothing but 7. Idea it is clear. So if the coefficient of x is other than 1, just write down how many times the coefficient is present. Mod of x minus 3, mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 4. So x plus 4 it is minus 4. 3 and 3, one to the left, one to the right. So median value is nothing but the value of x at which the expression will become minimum. Why minimum value? So it will be at x value 3. Next one, mod of 2x plus 8, 2 into mod of x plus 4 plus mod x plus mod of x minus 4. Now if you see, the critical points of x is minus 4, coefficient is 2, so write down twice. These are nothing but 0 and x minus 4 equivalent to 0, these are nothing but 4. There are 4 critical points. There are 4 critical points. 4 critical points. Write down on a number line, easily you will get the answer. Minus 4 it is. Again minus 4 is written twice because it is 2x plus 8. It is 0 and it is 4. Suppose if these middle, if it is not there, if these two are not there, answer would have been minus 4 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 4. These two are there. Only if these two is there, minus 4 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 0. The intersection of these both is nothing but the middle value. Minus 4 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 0. At this, the expression will give a minimum value. At this, expression will give a minimum value. If I take 0, from minus 4 to 4, totally 4 I need to travel. Again from minus 4 to 0, again 4 I need to travel. So it is 8. From here to here, it is 4. So 8 plus 4, it is nothing but 12. The minimum value of this expression is nothing but 12. I hope you got the idea. Now if you see here, it is 2 into mod of x plus 4. So because it is 2, I wrote minus 4 twice. So next it is 0, next is 4. If the number of modulus functions added are even, I will get the range for x. I will get more than 2 solutions for x. Range means more than 2 solutions for x. If the number of modulus functions added are odd, then I will get a unique value for x. Then I will get a unique value for x. Next one, find the minimum value of 2 into x plus 4 plus 3 into x minus 2. 3 into x minus 2. So these critical points are minus 4, minus 4. These critical points are 2, coefficient is 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. So these are nothing but minus 4, minus 4, 2, 2, 2. Number of modulus functions added are odd, so I will get the middle value. I will get the middle value. So x minimum, it is nothing but 2. If x minimum, if it is 2, y minimum will be, this has to travel entire 6. This has to travel entire 6. This is 0 and it is 0. Y minimum will be 12. Y minimum will be 12. I hope you got the idea. Even if you do it by using coordinate geometry, you will be able to understand it clearly. But this process will give you answer very, very fast. Next one, find the minimum value of, little bit calculation problem, but I'll just give you an idea. Find the minimum value of mod x minus 1, mod 2x minus 1, mod 3x minus 1, and so on up to mod of 119x minus 1. These are nothing but mod x minus 1, 2 common. These are nothing but 2 into mod x minus 1 by 2. Again, if I take 3 common, x minus 1 by 3, and so on up to 119 common, mod of x minus 119. I hope this step it is clear. This critical point is 1. 1 by 2 is the critical point written twice. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 3 is another critical point written thrice. Again it is 1 by 119. 1 by 119. How many times it is written? 119 times it is written. Now once you get the middle value, then you will get the answer very, very fast. Now if you see, if I take first term, it is 1. First, second and third. First, second and third. These are nothing but. So if I take first, these 1. If I take 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, it is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1, it is nothing but 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Again it is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now if you see, total 3 terms I have taken, total 3 terms I have taken, and the sum came out to be 2. I hope it is clear. Total 6 terms I have taken, sum is 3. Total 6 terms I have taken. So that means if it is 2, these are nothing but 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. If it is 3, it is 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. Are you all with me? I hope the idea it is clear. So total how many terms are there? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. 119 into 120 by 2. I hope you are understanding. 2 60s are these 0. 6 9s are 54. So these are nothing but 7140. Total 7140 terms are there. If I take first 3 terms, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Total 3 terms are there. Sum is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 1 plus 1, 2. Total 6 terms are there. Total sum is 3. So total, if there are n terms are there, total number will be n into n plus 1 by 2. 3 is 1 plus 2. Here it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 7140 terms are there. So first term 1, next it is 2 and so on up to 7140. So middle term is nothing but 1 plus 7140 divided by 2. 7141 divided by 2. 35. These 3570.5. 3570.5. That means the term is nothing but T3570 and T3571. I hope the idea it is clear. T3570 and 3571. Just check it out what will be the value that will be there. Suppose if I take, I'll just T3570 and T3571. Suppose again I am explaining mod x minus 1, it is nothing but 1. X minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. 2 times we have to write 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 should be written thrice. 1 by 3 should be written thrice. These are nothing but 1. These are nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by 2. These are nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So second term is written twice. Third term is written thrice. Fourth term is written 4 times. 119 terms is written 119 terms times. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 119. It is nothing but totally 7140 are there. So always if 7140 modulus functions are added, 7140 modulus functions are added, so I will get 7140 is an even number, then I will get the range. Range is nothing but the middle value, 3570 and 3571. So find out what is 3570 terms, that value substitute it. Very little bit of calculation intensive problem, but very logical way to solve it. Calculation intensive problem. Do this problem in the second innings in your examination in case you have a lot of time, otherwise you can omit it. I hope the idea it is clear. First term it is 1, second term 1 by 2, 1 by 2, second term 1 by 2, 1 by 2, third term it is nothing but mod of x minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 written thrice. That means this question is actually like this: mod of x minus 1, these mod of x minus 1 by 2 plus mod of x minus 1 by 2. Are you with me? Again it is nothing but mod of x minus 1 by 3 plus mod of x minus 1 by 3 plus mod of x minus 1 by 3 and so on up to mod of x minus 1 by 119, mod of plus mod of x minus 1 by 119 and so on up to how many terms? It is 119 terms. Up to how many terms? It is 119 terms. Now if you see here, this is nothing but one critical point is there. Here one critical point written twice. Here 1 by 3 written thrice. Here 1 by 119 written 119 terms. So totally how much it will be? 119 into 120 divided by 2. So totally it is nothing but 0, 6 9s are 54, 7140. So totally the number of terms that are added, it is nothing but 7140 terms. Suppose if three terms are written, the minimum value will be at the middle value, which is x equivalent to 4. If four terms are written or even number of values are written, mod x minus 2, mod x minus 4, then I will get the range. Similarly, total 7140 it is written, so 7140 terms are there. So 7140 is an even, so how many it will be left? First term plus last term by 2, how many can be? 235s are 70, 70, 235s are 77, 3570 something, point 0.5. So these are nothing but 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So T3570 and 3571. The x lies between these two values. Find the what is the value of x, that easily you can determine, because we have seen sum of three terms, it is nothing but Tn and Sn, n into n plus 1 by 2. From there you will get the value of x and substitute it. Idea clear? Little in calculation intensive, but it's a little easy question. Next one, listen carefully. Mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2. So the critical points are 1, next it is 2, next it is nothing but 4, next it is nothing but 5. If 2 and 4 are not there, answer would have been 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 5. If 2 and 4 are there, answer would have been 2 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 4. Intersection of these two regions will be 2 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 4. Left hand side 1, right hand side 1. Equilibrium is maintained. 2 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 4. I will get the minimum value for the expression. So suppose if I take 2, 1 to 2, it is nothing but 1. Again it is 5 to 2, it is nothing but 3. 2 to 4, it is nothing but 2. So y minimum, it is nothing but 1 plus 3 plus 2. Answer is nothing but 6. Write down in an serial order on the number line and take the middle value. Take the middle value. Like we say, average of odd number of terms are there. I will get an average as a singular value. For example, if you see 13579, average is nothing but the middle value, right? So left hand side 2, right hand side 2. So these are nothing but the unique value. Same is the case for a numerical value. Even in a modulus function, I will get a unique value if the number of modulus functions added are odd, otherwise I will get a range for x. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, this question, write down the critical points for this value. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 6. These minus 6, these minus 5, these minus 3, and it is minus 1. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1. Again, if I take these range, so answer is nothing but minus 5 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to minus 3. At this value, you will get the answer. Suppose if I take minus 5, these is nothing but 1. These is nothing but, it has to travel 2 units. This has to travel 4 units. I hope it is clear. Suppose if I substitute minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 plus 1, it is 4. Substitute it or do it on a number line. So answer is 4 plus 2 plus 1. Answer for this question is nothing but 7. Answer for this question is nothing but 7. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 2 plus 2 into mod of x minus 4 plus mod of x minus 5. So these are nothing but 1, these are nothing but 2, these are nothing but 4. 4 is written twice, 1, 2, 2, 4, and it is 5. If I draw it on a number line, quick in 5 to 10 seconds, you will get the answer. 1, 2, 4, 4, 5. There are 2 to the left and there are 2 to the right. So x minimum, it is nothing but 4. X minimum, it is nothing but 4. If x minimum it is 4, y minimum will be, here it is 3, here it is 2, here it is 0, here it is 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Once you draw it on a number line, all these questions are extremely easy. Once you understand the critical points, when the minimum will come, when the maximum will come. Watch session number 2 completely so that you will understand this concept in detail. I have also used D to explain, but D you don't need it. So critical points of x is minus 2. These nothing but minus 3. These nothing but minus 5, minus 5. These nothing but minus 6. So draw it on a number line. It is nothing but minus 6. These minus 5. These minus 5. And it is minus 2. And these minus 3. And these minus 3. Now see here. 2 to the left, 2 to the right. So x minimum will be at minus 5. X minimum will be minus 5. So y minimum will be, these nothing but 1 unit, these 0 units, these 3 units, and it is 2 units. 3 plus 2 plus 1. Y minimum, it is nothing but 6. Just you don't need to draw any graph, you don't need to take the critical points and change the sign to plus to minus if you understand the A and C way of solving the question. With practice, maximum 10-15 seconds, you can solve this question once you practice as many examples as possible. I hope this idea it is clear. Next one. These are nothing but x written 0 times, 0 comma 0. These are nothing but minus 3. These are nothing but minus 5. These are nothing but minus 6. If I draw it on a number line, minus 6 minus 5 and it is minus 3. These 0 and it is 0. Totally 2 mod x is nothing but mod x plus mod x. Totally 5 modulus functions are there. 2 to the left and 2 to the right. So x minimum it will be minus 3. If x minimum if it is minus 3, y minimum will be from here to here 3 units. From here to here 2 units. These 3 units and it is 3 units. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11. X minimum it is minus 3. Y minimum it will be 11. Y minimum it will be 11. I hope the idea it is clear. All these questions are easy once you understand the root cause of the problem. These 1 and it is 2. So 2, these are nothing but 4 comma 4. These are nothing but 5 comma 5. Write down on a number line. These 1 and it is 2. These are nothing but 4. These are nothing but 4. It is 5 and it is 5. And it is 5. 3 to the left and 3 to the right. Between 4 to 4, right, there is no integral value. 4 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 4. That is nothing but x minimum equivalent to 4. If x minimum is 4, y minimum will be, here it is 3, here it is 2, here it is 0. 3 plus 2 5. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. 5 plus 2 it is 7. Directly you will get these answer. X minimum equivalent to 4. Why? Because 3 to the left, 3 to the right. Between what is the integer value? From minus 4 to 4. From 4 to 4. Answer is nothing but 4. Idea it is clear. Next one. 3 mod x. I think we have solved this question. 0, 0, 0. These are nothing but minus 3. These are nothing but minus 5, minus 5. These are nothing but minus 6, minus 6. On a number line, these are nothing but 0. Again 0. Again it is 0. These minus 3. Here minus 5, minus 5. It will be minus 6 and minus 6. Minus 6 and minus 6. So if you see here 4 to the left and 4 to the right. So answer is nothing but minus 5 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to minus 3. Minus 5 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to minus 3. What is the minimum value of this expression? You can take any value and move every point to that value. If I take this one, these are nothing but 1. These are nothing but 1. These are nothing but 0. It is 2. These are nothing but 2. Here it is nothing but, these are nothing but, if I take 0, 0 means here I will get 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. So left hand side I got 15 plus 2, 17. 2 plus 17, I got 19. In case if you are confused with these number line, you can check it out. X equivalent to minus 5. So 3 into 5, 15 plus minus 5 plus 3, mod of minus 2, 2. 2 into minus 5 plus 5, 0. 2 into 6 minus 5, 1. So 17 plus 2, answer is 19. I hope the idea it is clear. Now it's a very beautiful question, sir. Please concentrate on this question. Y equivalent to mod of x minus 5 plus mod of x minus 2 minus mod of x minus 1. I want the minimum value. I want the minimum value. This is a plus sign, this is a plus sign, this is a minus sign. That means this should travel maximum distance, because there is a negative sign. First plot it on a number line. If I plot it on a number line, these is nothing but 1, these is nothing but 2, and these is nothing but 5. These 1, 2 and 5. Now listen carefully, sir. 1, 2 and 5. For it to become minimum, assume if this is not there, answer would have been 2 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 5. Yes or no? If that minus is not there, answer would have been 2 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 5. That means point will be either 2 or 5, right? Or from 2 to 5. But it is minimum. If it is y is minimum, because it is a minus sign, it should cover maximum distance. It should cover maximum distance. If these two are there, I got the answer 2 to 5. For it to cover maximum distance, should it go to point 2 or should it go to point 5? Maximum distance means it should cover from 1 to 5. So from 2 to 5, it is nothing but 3. From 1 to 5, it is nothing but 4. But before minus sign, it is there. So obviously, output will be 4 is the distance, but there is a minus sign, minus 4. So 3 minus 4. What will be the answer? Minus 1. Single step 5 seconds problem. If you know this concept, again I am explaining. Y minimum, these plus sign, these plus sign, these minus sign. If y is minimum, because there is a minus sign, it should cover maximum distance. That is, 1 should cover maximum distance. Next, if this is not there, x would lie from 2 to 5. X can be at point 2 or x can be at point 5. But 1 has to cover maximum distance. So the chosen point is nothing but 5. From 2 to 5, it is 3. From 1 to 5, it is 4. But before there is a minus sign, I will get a negative value. So the net distance traveled to get the minimum value is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Idea it is clear? Next one. Mod of x minus 5 minus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 1. Just reshift the equation. Mod of x minus 5 plus mod of x minus 1 minus of mod x minus 2. I want this minimum. If I want this minimum, because there is a minus sign, it will be maximum. Plot it on a number line. These nothing but 1. These nothing but 2. These nothing but 5. These nothing but 5. So 2 has to cover maximum distance. 2 has to cover maximum distance. If this is not there, answer would have been either 1 or 5, because it has to cover maximum distance. From 2 to 1, the distance is 1. From 2 to 5, the distance is 3. Maximum means the chosen point is nothing but 5. The chosen point is nothing but 5. From 1 to 5, it is nothing but 4. From 2 to 5, it is nothing but 3. Because there is a minus sign, there will be a minus before. 4 minus 3, answer is nothing but 1. 4 minus 3, answer is nothing but 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very easy question. If you know the root cause of the problem, very, very easy. Just by drawing a number line, you will be able to get it very easily. I hope each and every problem is clear to you. In case if you are enjoying pure content driven videos, kindly click on the like button and show your affection, so that I will also come to know that the people who are watching, their learning abilities are growing tremendously. The only language where you can show right little bit of affection towards the teacher is to please comment on what you liked in the video, and also probably like on that video. If you want me to take a particular topic, you can always mention it in the comment box. Idea clear? Next one. Mod x minus, there is no minus sign, so it is nothing but, these are nothing but 1, these are nothing but 2, these are nothing but 5. So because odd number of modulus functions are added, x minimum it is nothing but 2, x minimum it is nothing but 2, y minimum will be 1 can go to 2 one value, 5 can go to 2 3, so it is 1 plus 3, it is nothing but 4. X minimum will be 2, y minimum it will be 4, y minimum it will be 4. I hope you got the idea. Very easy question. Now this question, let us solve it one by one. Mod of 3x minus 9, so it is 3 mod of x minus 3. These nothing but mod of x, it is 2 mod of x minus 6 equivalent to k. So it is nothing but 3 3 3. 3 times mod of x minus 3 is written. These are nothing but 0. These are nothing but 6 and 6. Draw it on a number line. So here it is 0. These 3. These 3. These are nothing but 6. These are nothing but 6. 3 is written thrice. 3 is written thrice. So 3 values are there to the left hand side, 3 values are there to the right hand side. So x minimum will be, the minimum value of this function will be, x minimum will be 3. At what value? At k equivalent to, if x is 3, if I choose this point from here to here 3, 0 0 0, here it is 3, here it is also 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3, answer is 9. X minimum equivalent to 3 at k equivalent to 9. I hope the idea it is clear. So where am I getting exactly one solution? I am getting exactly one solution at k equivalent to 9, at exactly one solution. Now the minimum distance, it is nothing but 9. Any value which is less than 9, any value which is less than 9, that no solution I will get it. Any value greater than 9, I will get it either at the middle points or at the extreme points. K greater than 9, k greater than 1. For what value of k this equation has more than 2 solutions? That is not possible. That is not possible. All the varieties of questions, if the modulus functions are added or twice, if the modulus functions as kx, ky, some coefficient it is there, everything we discussed in detail. I hope the idea it is clear. Again I am explaining. Mod of 3x minus 9, 3 into mod x minus 3, 3 3 3 3, it is 0, it is 6 and 6. 3 to the left, and first write down in an serial order, 0 3 3 3, 6 comma 6, write down in a number line. On a number line, take the median value. There are 3 to the left and there are 3 to the right. 3 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 3. That means x minimum will be 3. If x is 3, if I take this point as 3, 0 to 3 3, d is 0, d is 0, 3 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3, it is nothing but 9. X minimum will be 3, and the bare minimum value k will take for it to get some solutions, it is 9. K less than 9, no solution. K greater than 9, k greater than 9. So probably what you can do is, if it is 0, I will tell you why it has got two solutions. These 0, these nothing but 3, these 3, and it is 6, and it is 6. For example, if I take k equivalent to 12, if I take k equivalent to 12, I'll prove it to you why two solutions will come. If it is 0, these are nothing but 0 0 0, D is nothing but 21. D is nothing but 21. If x equivalent to 3, k equivalent to 9, D is 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. If x equivalent to 6, 6 is nothing but 18 minus 9, 9. It is 6. 2 6 are 12 minus 12, 0. It is 15. So, for between 9 to 21, there exists a point. Are you all with me? So, between 9 to 9, it is 0, it is 0. Here, 9 to 15, there exists a point. There exists exactly two solutions when k is greater than 9. K less than 9, no solution. More than two solutions, it is not possible. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, next one, mod solve for x. Now, till now we found out the minimum value, right, and the number of solutions x can take depending upon the right hand side. Now, the right hand side it is given. These 2 into mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 4, mod of x plus 4. These nothing but it is minus 4. These nothing but it is 3. So here there is one person. Here there are two persons. Here there are two persons. Here there are two persons. Now listen carefully. So first substitute x equivalent to 3 and check it out what is the value. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 into anything 0. 3 plus 4 it is nothing but 7. It is nothing but 7. Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 0. Minus 4 minus 3 mod of minus 7 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. So the value like 12 lies between 7 to 14. I want 12. I got the answer 14. That means I need to take 2 units. 2 units to the right of, I need to take 2 units to the right of minus 4. 2 units to the right of minus 4 is minus 4 plus 2. So the answer is nothing but one answer that is possible. That is nothing but minus 2. This is one answer. This is one answer. I hope the idea it is clear. 7 to 14. At value of x it is 3, it is 7. At value of minus 4 it is 14. I want 12. So 12 lies between 7 to 14. 12 is 2 units to the right of minus 4. So 2 units to the right of minus 4 is minus 4 plus 2, it is minus 2. Just check it out. 2 into minus 2, minus 4 minus 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So these minus 2, it is 1 point. Next one, or otherwise. So any value here, right, it is not possible. Another case is to the right hand side. Another case is to the right hand side. So A will go here. Minus 4 to 3. Totally 7 units traveled. Totally 7 units traveled from point 3. From point 3. Out of 12 units. Out of 12 units. 7 units already traveled. 7 units already traveled. Remaining is nothing but 5 units divided by 3. 9 plus 5, it is nothing but 14 by 3. I told you that if I take a two modulus functions, add it, there are exactly one solution possible, exactly two solutions possible, exact no solutions. That also k is less than the given minimum value for k, that also it is possible. I hope the idea it is clear. So it is minus 2, another is 14 by 3. If you substitute 14 by 3, 2 into 14 by 3, it is 28 by 3 minus 6. 28 minus 18, which is 10 by 3. 14 by 3 plus 4. 14 by 3 plus 4 is, it is 26 by 3. 10 by 3 plus 26 by 3. 36 by 3. Answer is nothing but 12. I hope this idea it is clear. We will solve a lot of questions based upon this idea. These nothing but 2 into mod of x plus 4. These are nothing but 3 into mod of x minus 2 equivalent to 14. So first critical point is is nothing but minus 4. Two people are standing here, A and B. Next critical point is 2. These is nothing but C, D and E. C, D and E. First find out the corresponding value of y for x equivalent to minus 4. Minus 4 minus 2, it is minus 6. 3 into 6, it is 18. 18. If it is 2, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 2s are 12. It is nothing but 12. 12 less than, in this side it is not possible, so either this side it is possible or between it is possible, between it is possible. You can take any case. I want 15, I got 12, so either I can take 3 units to the LHS of 2, 3 units to the left hand side of 2, or 3 units, 3 units to the right hand side of, to the right hand side of minus 4, to the right hand side of minus 4. All the cases you will get the answer. So these is nothing but minus 4 plus 3, which is minus 1, 3 units, it is nothing but 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. So one value we got it based upon the value of y for the corresponding critical points. I hope it is clear. Revision is mandatory. Ensure that you do as much revision as possible. Minus 4 to 2, it is 6 units. A will travel 6 units, B will travel 6 units. So totally 12 units are traveled. Totally 12 units are traveled from point number 2. 2 were already traveled. Remaining 3 units needs to be traveled. A and B reached point 2. A, B, C, D, E. Total 5 people are there. So answer is 2 plus 3 by 5. Answer is 2 plus 3 by 5. I hope the idea it is clear. X is there at a critical point minus 4. X is there at a critical point 2. So 2 people are there because the coefficient is 2. Here the coefficient is 3. C, D and E. Minus 4 to 2, 6. A will travel 6, B will travel 6. 12 over from point 2. Remaining 3 units needs to be traveled. A, B, C, D and E. Total 5 people are traveling. Totally 5 people are traveling. I hope this idea it is clear, right? From 12 I require 15. So 3 units. 12 to 18 means the value is growing. 3 units to the LHS of 2 or 3 units to the RHS of 18. Idea clear? Next one. Mod x minus 9 plus mod x plus mod x plus 12 less than or equivalent to 60. Less than or equivalent to 60. What are all the critical points of x? These is nothing but minus 12. These is nothing but 0. These is nothing but 9. Here it is A. Here it is B. Here it is C. So A, what will be the value? From 12 and it is, if I substitute, these is nothing but 21, these is 33. If it is x is 0, 12 plus 9, it is 21. If x is 9, 21 plus 9, it is nothing but 30. It is nothing but 30. Now let us see here. Minus these 33 here, it is 30. So extreme points only I will get the answer. So from A to C. From A to C, 21 traveled. From B to C, 9 traveled. 21 plus 9, 30. So after 9, in 30 traveled, remaining is 30 by 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Here 21 traveled, here 12 traveled, 33 traveled, 33 traveled, 21 and 12. 33 means remaining is minus 27 by 3. So 9 plus 10, it is 19, one critical points, it is minus 21. Again I am explaining, mod x minus 9 is x equivalent to 9, mod x equivalent to x is 0, mod x minus 9, x is 9, minus 12 and 9, minus 12 and 9. Now if you see here, minus 12, 0 and 9. Critical points are minus 12, 0 to minus 12, 12, 9 to 12, minus 9 to minus 12, 21, 21 plus 12, 33. These 33. Here it is 0, it is 21, 30. So A can go to C, B can go to C. Minus 12 to 9, 21. B to C, 9. 21 plus 9, 30. So remaining from point 9, another 30 needs to be travelled by 3 people. Similarly, C will go to B, 21. B will go to A, 12, 33. Remaining 27 by 3. So minus 21 and 19 less than or equivalent to. So the answer will be minus 21 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 19. Minus 21 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 19. I hope the idea it is clear. Very easy questions once you know the fundamentals. Now see here. These nothing but mod of x minus 3 plus 2 into mod of x plus 2 plus mod x. It is greater than 15. The critical points are it is 3 and it is minus 2 and it is 0. These nothing but minus 2 on a number line. On a number line, these minus 2, these nothing but 0, these nothing but 3. Minus 2, 0 and 3. Minus 2 it is nothing but here it is 2, here it is 5. 2 plus 5 it is nothing but 7, so remaining it is nothing but 8. 0, 2 plus 3 it is nothing but 5. These nothing but 5 plus 3 it is nothing but 8. It is nothing but 8. So 8 and 8 we got, but I need 15. 15 means A can come to C, B can come to C. Minus 2 to 3 5, 0 to 3 3, 5 plus 3 8. 8 means from point 3, 8 already travelled. Remaining is 7 by 3. Remaining is 7 by 3. 3 to minus 3 minus of minus 2, 5. And these are nothing but 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 travelled from minus 2. 8 more needs to be travelled. Greater than means x is less than the x is less than this inequality and x is greater than this inequality, but the question is will not satisfy. Will not satisfy means will not satisfy. So these nothing but 9 plus 7, 16 by 3 less than x less than minus 6 minus 14 by 3. Whatever the integral points that will satisfy for greater than means less than or equivalent to. Greater than means less than or equivalent to. Question is will not satisfy. Be careful while solving the questions. Be careful while solving the question. I hope you enjoyed this session number 3.